Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by deciding the single core idea your presentation must deliver. Once chosen, everything else supports it. Start PowerPoint, set a 16:9 slide master, and define your fonts and color palette so every slide aligns. Make sure to place logo and footer on the master rather than each slide to save time. Once done, draft 3-5 main slides as anchors. This first action removes indecision and forces impactful choices that make the rest of the build faster and more coherent. You now layer visual hierarchy and selective motion to guide attention. Start by resizing and recoloring elements so the most important point is largest and brightest. Apply subtle animations for entrances and emphasis, but keep timing consistent across related slides. Once animations are set, swap dense text for a single strong sentence and an icon or image to illustrate the idea. Make sure to use the animation pane to sequence items, which gives a professional, controlled reveal rather than chaotic motion. You finish by polishing transitions, testing readability on a projector, and exporting both PDF and MP4 versions for delivery. Once done, verify embedded fonts and linked media so nothing breaks on another machine. If something goes wrong, frozen video or misaligned slide, reset the slide master or recreate the problematic slide from the master starter. Often copying content into a fresh slide fixes hidden corruption. Make sure to rehearse with the final export so you know exactly how the audience will see it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.